clockwise direction for me. So I'm going to pass around my body. So I call this level 1 in my class. And I say you need to move the dumbbell really quickly if you want to be able to move on to level 2. Level 2 is that they lift the right knee as the dumbbell goes around their body. Now they need to lift their right knee up high enough that they don't lean forwards as the dumbbell goes around their body, right? So they don't lean forwards, so lift to take the dumbbell in the knee. So they've got to lift that leg up high. So that's level 2. And then I say if you want to do level 3, add a single jog. Oops, I missed it there. Too late there. Woo! And there's a real rhythm to it. So it's just one jog. Level 3 is fun because some people don't quite get it and it looks like this. Clearly not ready for level 3. So I say, go back to level 1. Level 1. Because they've got to learn to pass that dumbbell around their body quickly. So it's a great way to get people moving. Especially got people in the class that want to progress but they won't move at the appropriate speed. You're forced to with this exercise. Then, of course, we go around the other way. So I say start with the left hand, pass around the back first, and now we go anti-clockwise. Now, the reason why I go behind the back first is because of the way I want to go underneath that left knee. So it starts with the left hand, goes behind the back, and then goes under the left knee. If I go the other way, start my left hand and pass around my body this way, okay, when I'm going to go underneath my left knee, it's actually a little easier, okay, because basically I'm holding onto my dumbbell almost until it goes underneath the knee. And so when I add the jogging action, it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. So that's the reason why I start with the left hand and go behind the back first. Behind the back first. So when I pass it, I've got to get the other arm underneath to work. So I'm not using this arm to do most of the work because it's uncomfortable to do that across my body. So there's method to my madness. So it's a little cool little combination. I do this in my Not Just a Dumbbell DVD, and we do it to Big Girls Don't Cry. And it's perfect because the instrumental is where I get them to set up for passing around. Then the first verse is where they start now moving the dumbbell underneath one knee. And then when the chorus kicks in, then they add the extra jog. And that song just long enough to be able to split literally in half and not have to do anything else with it. So great track for this. And that's this week's Aqua. Demonstrating the single arm pass around with the one dumbbell on land is actually pretty easy. So the way I demonstrate this in my classes is I usually start with my back to the class to demonstrate which hand's got the dumbbell and how it's being passed around the back first. So I'll say dumbbell in your right hand and now pass the dumbbell around your body in a clockwise direction. So really clear about that because remember what I mentioned in the water, you want to make sure that everyone's moving around the body in the correct direction. So start with the right hand, and then obviously when I turn to face my class, I need to be doing exactly the same movement pattern I was doing before. So that the dumbbell's going behind my back, passing from my left hand in an anti-clockwise direction, which is the same as for them, right hand passing it around in a clockwise direction. So remember which way to go. But once your class has started, you can turn around, face them, and be able to go the correct way, right? So, passing the dumbbell around, this is where you indicate that they need to pass the dumbbell around quickly. This is very easy for you to demonstrate. When you demonstrate the single leg lift, make sure that you stand tall and that you lift your leg up nice and high, because what you want to avoid is demonstrating the leaning forwards action, which is the one thing you want them to avoid doing. Yes? So lift the knee up nice and high, passing the dumbbell underneath, indicating that you keep your body as upright as possible. So that's an easy demo too. When you add the jogging action, here, there, here, there, here, there, quite an easy demonstration to do as well. You aren't hopping from one leg to the other. And I usually like to add another demo to that. So I use my Aqua frame and I demonstrate that they need to rebound from one leg to the other, lifting the legs up nice and high to make sure that they pass the dumbbell underneath and have the time to get around their body because they're lifting their other knee nice and high. So I use the Aqua frame to demonstrate that part as well. So as far as demonstrations for this exercise, easy one. When you want to swap sides, dumbbell in the left hand, pass it around your body in an anti-clockwise direction. And then you turn around, you face your class, and you go the same way as they are, not the same way you just did facing them. So pretty easy to demonstrate, and that's this week's Aqua tip.